Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Ke itse go tsamaya.
Oh, we're going to learn how to say I can do something in Setswana. Are you ready, kids? It's very easy. You take the verbs like go tsamaya, go taboga, go robala, and you add ke itse in front of them.
Dumela Abuti.
Dumela ausi.
Ke itse go tlola.
Ke itse go opela.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. The verb go itse means to know. And when we say ke itse, we're saying I know. So when we say ke itse go tsamaya, we're really saying I know how to walk. Now let's see how all our friends use this sentence.
Dumela, ke itse go bina. Ke itse go tshameka.
Ke itse go tsamaya.
Ke itse go taboga.
Ke itse go dula.
Ke itse go ema.
And now you know how to say I can do something in Setswana. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.